Hey guys, Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing process called Torpedopot. These are self-growing planters. You never water, you never feed your plants. You simply put your seeds in and put your plants in and it grows your food for you. These 5 planters of eggplants were grown from seeds. We expect to produce 158 plants, fully automated, no human intervention. They're called Torpedopot. They grow your food for you with no human intervention. And so what I'm going to do now is to start harvesting my squash. And I think so far, I hope we have the further squash on the back end, which is the straight neck squash. Then we have the zucchini. Then we have the curled neck squash. Then we have the chieftain, and then we have the spaghetti squash. Now, I'm going to harvest these fruit, but I want you to know one thing. My eating habits are not like yours. Well, I don't have to wait for someone to bring my food to the supermarket to eat it. And once you eat it, you run out of it. Torpedopot is designed to feed you and your family forever. These planters were designed to last a long, long time. If you follow our directions, you'll never have a problem with food again in your life. So what I'm going to do now, I've got to go out here and I get to pick this squash. And I'm so happy. So the difference is this. I eat my fruit when it's available. My squash, I eat them like apples and oranges because they're fresh, they're young, they're tender. They're not the stuff you buy at the store, sponge-like materials. Dude, you need to grow your own food. You need to know what it is to have and to grow your own food. So let me go pick some of these squash and we'll take a look at it. I think the first thing I'm going to get is the straight neck. Let's do that. Hey guys, what you're looking at are 2 pure pieces of fruit with no blemishes. I want you to pay very close attention to what you're looking at. You're looking at near perfect food. That's perfect food. Dude, we don't grow the food the way you do. We grow it differently. Well, we use the microbes in the soil to grow your food. And that's why Torpedopot produces perfect food 100% of the time. Every piece of fruit I pull off of these planters will be perfect. It's their job to be perfect. And at any point in my time, I can eat my fruit. Wow, it's just so good. Oh my God, it's so good. Guys, these are the Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in a planter, grows your fruit for you. Oh my gosh, so good. Some more. A minute. Wow, this is so good. You see that? Yeah. to a total of 11 so far. I normally like to, guys who don't know, my name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder of a company that grows your food for you with no human intervention. And they're called Torpedopots. All you do is put your seeds and plants inside of them, and it grows your food. We grew a total of 11 of the straight neck yellow squash. And this is the beginning of the season. I'm so much enthused. So I will have my own supply of squash. Not only will I have my own supply of squash, but I have my own supply of perfect squash. True to texture, true to color, true to form. And what makes it so interesting is this. Well, this one beautiful piece of fruit here, that's all I need to go into my next season. It's just one. Already we've produced 11 of them. I love my job. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try the zucchini. Is that okay? Just in time for dinner. Zucchini, 2. So we have a total of 6 zucchini so far. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zucchini so far. And I love them too. And guess what? Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. Well, all you do is take your food or your seeds and put them in these planters, and they turn them into food for you. You take your plants and you put them in there and you walk away. They're fully automated. They run. You never water, you never feed, you only supplement. And you'll get some tremendous amount of food. It's called Torpedopot. It grows your food for you. Man, dude, you can't beat these volumes, man. Wow, it's amazing. And so what's amazing is that the seeds that we purchase to go into these planters to grow your food, we brought 4 packs of seeds for $1. And threw them in those planters. 4 packs of seeds for $1. And it grows perfect food. It's beautiful. I wish you could do this in your garden. You will be. In due time. I like the way the inside of that looks. That looks so nice, doesn't it? Still forming, still young. That is so nice. Boy, I tell you, it's so nice. I hope you can see it. I hope it's in the right mode. All right, so let me get some more food. Let's try a curved neck. supposedly curved neck. Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. I took my seeds from zucchini, my seeds from the small curved neck, and I took some of the straight neck squash. And I put them all in this planter here. And what I end up with is a huge harvest of food. Not just one day, but continually. No chemicals in these. It's natural food. It's the food you could grow with your self-growing planter. Just put your seeds in these planters, they grow your food for you. Never have a problem with getting food in your life. I'm gonna pick some squash. You wanna go with me? Come on, let's go. Well, I wanna pick something I think you'll like. As I wanna get clear, I'm not trying to save my food. My food should be readily available for me to eat 24 hours a day. So I'm not trying to grow to make something pretty and big. I want a constant supply. This is my spaghetti squash. They're not ready, but I wanted you to take a look at the big one right here. Because you know what? Your brother's gonna take that in and he's gonna eat it. I love my squash when it's young and tender. Spaghetti squash, zucchini. It doesn't matter what it is. Straight neck, curved neck squash. I want you to learn to eat your food all of the time. Not some of the time, all of the time. Food should be available for you all of the time. And it's good. I'm gonna have a feast tonight. The cheetah has got a lot of. Let's try one of the small cheetahs too. I'm gonna see what it tastes like. Please remember, I want you to eat as much as your food as you can. This is the cheetah squash. Clearly it's not ready to deliver, but I want to see what it looks like, see what it tastes like early in the game. Because usually they're more tender. This may be too early, but I'm going to give it a try anyhow, see what it tastes like. And it's beautiful, isn't that gorgeous? That's the chieftain. So let's go over the different squash that we've been able to do. Guys, this is Torpedopot. It's like a little laboratory back here. Whether you have a growing container that grows your food for you, you never have to grow your food again. We got chieftain squash. We got straight neck squash. We got zucchini. We got curved neck squash. And we've got spaghetti squash. All of it growing in my backyard. Bet you never see this picture in anybody's YouTube channel, have you? There's a reason why. The reason why is because Torpedopot is a new technology in which we grow food and lots of it like you've never seen before. I've got over 1,000 tomatoes to pick. As a matter of fact, I'm so upset because the deer has eaten the tops off a majority of my tomatoes, so I'm really pissed off. And I have an electric fence, but I just feel really bad to have to put that up as the last bit of defense. So I'm going to have to attach it and make sure I get all the weeds around it taken care of so that they won't come back again. But it's still important when in one container, like this Torpedopot, we can do 100 tomatoes. So taking a hit from a deer, in my case, as a home grower, it's not a problem at all. I still have my tomatoes from 2 years ago. I wanted to clean house, I clean it with these tomatoes and restore it, so it's no big deal. That's why I'm not trying to be harsh on them, because I do love them in the environment. But however, you got to do what you got to do. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.